Hi everyone, welcome to Geek the Goddess YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do tutorial number 40, which is create a measure that outputs colors in Power BI. And when it comes to subtopics, in this tutorial I'm going to cover how to add conditional formatting to Power BI shapes, and also how to compare two measurements or measures in Power BI. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and keep in touch for more Power BI videos. And my dataset contains a Excel sheet, so that contains salesperson, item, sales value, sales data and feedback. So this Excel sheet that you can download, I have added the download link in the description section. So this is my Power BI dashboard. So here I'm going to compare sales data. So this is one measurement that I have created for total sales value for this year. That means if you select this one, so it gives the total sales value for 2020 February, and this measurement that I have created to get the sales value for the same period of last year. That means this gives 2019 February sales figures. So this is the one measurement, total sales value. It is just the sum of sales value. And this is the other measurement, total sales value for the last year. So that calculates the total sales value for the same period of last year. So that is my other measurement. So my two measurements are ready now. Right, so now we are going to cover the first topic, so that how to create a measure that outputs colors. So that is our first task. So for that we have to go here, it's home, right? Not home, actually I have to go new measurement, modeling, new measurement, new measure, right? So measure, I would rename it as color, right? So then I will use switch condition here, switch. So then expression would be true, right? So here what I write is if total sales value greater than the two measurement values last year. So here I'm comparing these two values, and as the output I will give color code, hex color code. So here I would use red color, sorry, green color, 00 00 FF00, right? So else I want red color, so I would say FF0000 hash. So this is outputting the hash code of the color, right? So this is how we create the measurement that outputs colors, right? So my color measurement is now, measure is available now. So that is actually the first topic, how to create a measure that outputs colors. And here now what I want is, I want to add a shape here in this space, and then based on this value, let's say if the current sales value is greater than the last sales value, last year sales value, so then to show green color. So for that I will use shapes with conditional formatting. Let's see how we can do that. Right, so first you have to go shapes here, insert shapes, and then you have to add I would say I will add a rectangle, right? So I will add it in this placeholder, right? So now I'm going to add conditional formattings to this, right? So my shape is ready. So how to add conditional formattings to this? For that, so you have to go and select background here. So you can select fill as, you know, not available, and then when it comes to background, you can select background on, and here as you can see there's a FX function, so you can click that one, and here format by, you can say based on the fields. So field wise, so I'll give in the measure that I have created, the color measure, right? So I'll say OK, right? As you can see now, it will compare sales value to sales value which is available as a measurement here, and then it will gives color based on the switch condition that I have implemented. So let's say if we select March, as you can see the last year value is greater than this year's value for the same period, so it will give red color. So that indicate that this year's sales value or sales performance is not good than last year. So same wise, so it will gives the output according to the sales value, right? So thank you for watching my Power BI video, and please subscribe my channel, please share it with your friends, and keep in touch. Thank you.